In this video, we will help you to create an attractive slide presentation using rounded rectangle in PowerPoint. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select rounded rectangle and drag it. Drag the yellow dot to right, rotate, and by duplicating, set it like this. Select all, go to Merge Shape, select Union. Go back to Insert, click on Picture, select and insert it. Click on right button, Send to back. Select both, go to Format, go to Merge Shape, select Intersect. Right click on the picture and select Format Picture. Select this shadow from preset. Also select background color using eyedropper. Go back to Insert, select text box. Write nature here. Select and center your content. Increase size, make it bold, and change the font color using eyedropper. Go to Format, select bevel, add nature information here. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, we hope you found this tutorial useful and that it inspires you to get creative with your presentation design. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.